So welcome back everyone. Doing another video in the top lofts before the races. Look at that one. So obviously we're doing our ritual again before the races. Letting the hens with the cockbirds. So meanwhile I'm gonna go over the ones that performed well last couple races. So yeah, for any of you wondering what bird performed the best on 200k, which is actually Acepigeon as of right now, it's gonna be that guy. That's the cockbird. And then the ones that were performing well, obviously, this guy performed really well the first two races of 100k. And then he missed 2 times in a row, very unfortunate. But yeah, he was well on his way to becoming really good. And then obviously the old guy, old trusty. He flew really well the first 3 times of 100k, and then the last time he missed when it was a really big headwind, which is kind of weird because our birds usually perform really well in headwind, so yeah, it's kind of weird. Speelt er misschien een rol? And then this one actually did fly a prize as the only bird last weekend on 200k, aside obviously from this guy. But yeah, all in all, the races are going really well, except for last week, which obviously this guy really exceeded, and then the rest were kind of a letdown. But yeah, the other 3 races were really, race weekends I should say, were really well. So yeah, then I'm gonna end this clip here, and the next clip is gonna be when the arrivals. So we just got our first one out of 100k. Looks like it's 636, yeah. Smet heel lokker, maar ja. That's one that always drops bad. In een tweede al, ja. Die komt van achterop. So we just got a second one. So there are the 2 blue bars. I'm gonna check if they're registered. Yeah. So let me just. First one 636. That's the one that always drops bad. He was first arrived as well. Then the second one 833. The old guy actually flew way too far and came out of the opposite direction already. And so we only got 1 remaining. That's a dropper. But yeah, the 2 blue bars are home, and then here, speaking of, yeah, that's the third one. Nice. So we got all the birds home from 100k. We only had 3 birds in it. I don't know if I got it on him dropping, but he dropped pretty much straight. So yeah, and I didn't even have to cut the video. That's a dropper. But yeah, now we have to wait for 200k. Ik ga nog vet. Nou, dit is hem toch. $6.11 again. Nee, het is de juiste.
Dat was niet nagenoeg, joh.
Nee.
Ja, je weet dat de boem en dat al. En dan doen we nog wat. Ja, dat is niet goed.
So this is the second one. The grizzle again. Where is he? Oh, there he is. So 6.11 was first and this one's second, just like last weekend. The grizzle. Gaat dan niet staan.
Net overlijden niet uit, hè? En door mij heel toch nog moeite doen, hè?
So a third one, the one with the white tips. Hadden we een bleider, dat is 6,50. Ja. Ja, je moet dat weggaan en eens naar aan zien. So that's the fourth one. Our fifth bird, I think. Yeah. That's the one I pulled his tail out of. So we still got 3 birds remaining. So I'm just gonna go over the results now. This is obviously Kivra 100k. The first 2 are actually on the same second. 833 and 636, the 2 blue bars. And then about a minute after that, a small minute, is a mealy red bar. So yeah, those are the 3 birds we got in the Kivra race. And then 200k, we got the first one, 6.11 again. We saw the first bird at 12 hour and 0 minutes, like 12 hour flat. So he's a little bit, I think it would be a little bit worse than last 2 weekends, but still pretty good. And then the grizzle about 3.5 minutes after that. And then the white tip one, again 3.5 minutes. And then 650, that's the black one, about 1.5 minutes after that. And then the one I pulled his tail out of. And then the rest, we're still waiting for them. We got 8 birds in this race and we clocked 5. But yeah. So we're still waiting, but I might not film the rest because it's pretty much over now. So yeah, the last 2 races haven't been as good as the previous 2, as the 2 before that, but yeah, you can't win them all, I guess. So we got the result sheet in. I'm gonna start off with the 100k race. I didn't
last time, but I usually do, so yeah, we're gonna start out with this. I expected them to fly a little bit worse because we saw a lot of birds and ours were behind them, so but overall it was a lot better than expected. We got 307 pigeons in the race. We got 3 pigeons in the race, none on the first sheet, but all 3 did have a prize, although be it somewhere at the end of the sheet, but still 100% prize rate. So yeah, these guys are able to fly a lot quicker though. So this one's actually the one that flew first fed as a young bird, so he should be able to, but he doesn't as of lately. But these 2 do, so yeah. Overall, 100k was better than expected. And then we got 200k, and the only 200k. Let me just shut the dog up. So yeah, here we go again. So yeah, in the 200k race, 843 pigeons, and we got 611 was first again, 3 times in a row now. It's a little bit later than usually is, but still really good. Again, better than I expected. 48th place. Here you can see him, 611, the yearling again. And then, same as last weekend, the grizzle was second again, which is kind of surprising because it's the second time he's done 200k. So, and then we'll go over to the third one, which was the one with the white tips, the old bird. That's 611's father. So, yeah, not to mention we got, I believe, 8 birds in this race. And then this is 650, the black one, Ace Pigeon strain. So yeah, 4 out of 8, which isn't, it's better than last weekend. But this guy flew a lot earlier last weekend. He would have been like somewhere around here last weekend, but still really good. So yeah. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and as always, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and have a nice day.